Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You need an active Keepsolid Smart DNS subscription and the DNS IPs they provide. Once you have them, log into the device you will change. Start with your router when possible, because it covers every device on your network. If you cannot access a router, pick the specific device, smart TV or phone, and open its network settings. Make sure you keep your account credentials handy and disable any conflicting VPN while you change DNS, so the new settings apply cleanly. Once done, change the DNS entries. Find the IP4 DNS fields in your router or device network settings and enter the Keepsolid primary and secondary addresses exactly. Make sure to switch from automatic or ISP DNS to manual entries, otherwise the override will not stick. After saving, reboot the device, and if you updated a router, reboot all connected devices so they inherit the new settings. Verify connectivity, and that the device resolves region-restricted services by checking the reported. Finish by testing the services you wanted to unlock. If streaming or sites still block you, flush the DNS cache on the device, restart the app or the device itself, or run ipconfig/flushtons on Windows. Make sure no VPN is active and that the router firmware supports custom DNS. If issues persist, temporarily revert to ISP DNS and re-enter the Keepsolid addresses step by step, checking for typos. Then contact Keepsolid support with your account and device details for help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.